quick plug before we get into what we are here to review. I have some music available for you all to listen to. Some of you may have been following back in August when I dropped my newest album, A Work of Art, available everywhere. How do you find that album, Ralph? Here, let me show you. We'll go here. You look me up. This is Google Play. This is Google Play Music. You look me up, Raphael Marquise. Type that in. Boom. Bring me up right there. Here I am. There. You scroll down and it shows albums. And that is A Work of Art. Now, yesterday, I also brought back one of my older albums called Lyrical Renaissance, and it's available for you all to listen to as well. Boom. Right there. This is Google Play Music once again. Alright, so you may be saying, but Ralph, I don't have Google Play Music. I have Apple Music. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got you covered. Here I am on Apple Music. Type in my name. Both albums will come up. Lyrical Renaissance, A Work of Art. Both are available everywhere. Yo, Ralph, I use Spotify, man. You got me? Yes, I got you. I got you. Go in your search. Type in my name. There I am right there. You go to albums. And there they are. A Work of Art, Lyrical Renaissance. You want to support your boy? Go check out my albums everywhere that you can stream music. What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Man, it feels like I haven't done this in a long time. Like, I feel like I haven't done a sneaker video in a month or so. It's been a long time, man. It's been a long time since I've been in front of this camera talking to you all about sneakers. But alas, it's all over now. It's coming to an end this particular week. Okay? Now, excuse me if I sound a little funny, got some sinus issues going on, but I'm gonna push through it. I'm gonna push through it so that I can deliver the content to you all. Alright? Now, I don't know what's in here. I have an idea of what's in here, but I don't know exactly what it is because I can't see the box. Usually, you get the Nike box here, and you can see a little bit through there. You can see the box, but on this front here, my receipt is covering the box, so I cannot see what shoe this is. So it is either going to be a Jordan 1 or it's going to be a Jordan 13. Alright? I don't know which one this is. I'm thinking it's the 1. If the shipping speed, this should be a Jordan 1. Alright? But let's go ahead and get into it, man. We'll see which one it is. I don't know. It should be a 1. And if it's a 1, I got a story about it. Alright. Boom. Get my shank out of there. Yep. Yep. There it is. Alright. That's the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. That's a different receipt. Alright. And it is a Jordan 1. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that over there. Get this box up out of here. Alright, Jordan 1 box. But hold on, y'all know how I do it. If it's a shoe that is going up, we gotta have one above my head. I didn't know which one it was, so I didn't want to throw a shoe up there that'd be the wrong one. So that's what it is. Let's get into this. Jordan 1 box. Boom. Excuse me, I'm sorry. You know how Jordan 1 boxes look. Boom. There it is. Alright, these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorway Golden Harvest Black Sail. Alright. Alright, so quick story, man. Quick story before we get into these. I ordered these, and I was like, man, I got them. They were focus. You're not focusing. Hold on, let me fix my focus. All right, so I got them, and the big homie, Jumpman Bostic wound up not getting them. So I said, you know what? Dang. I feel like these belong more in his collection than they do mine. So my initial thought was, when he said that he couldn't get them, I'm just going to send these to him. He can pay me back for it. He have them. I don't have to have them. He has them. Right? But luckily, my buddy Justin was able to find a pair for him locally in his area. So we were able to get Jumpman Bostic a pair to have of this shoe. And then also I was able to keep them as well. So we both got to have them. Everything worked out in each of our favors. Smooth transaction. And I mean, I share that story because that's something that I love about the sneaker community, is that when you have people that are real about it and not just out here trying to resell and get the shoes and make a profit and just, they don't care about the other person. They just care about trying to make more ducats. You know what I'm saying? They trying to make more money. They trying to get more paper, more Skrilla, more scratch. That's all they care about. They don't care about the brotherhood of it. And that's one thing that, I appreciate about Jumpman Bostic, man. Once me and him started chopping it up and talking, it's like we became friends. And I've actually got a few different friends, my boy Coupe DeVille, my boy G4 Vision. Like, these are cats that I've never even met before. But I talk to them. I talk to them because we're cool through this. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I've met Jumpman Bostic a few different times, man. That's my guy. But that's just something I love about the sneaker community, is that those of us who are truly in it, you look out for one another, man. You look out for your brothers, and you do what you can for it, man. It's rare sometimes these days that people actually do that. But I'm rambling. Let's get into these, man. Let's take that off. Boom. Uh-oh. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Woo-wee. Whew. That is some great material right there. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's a quality shoe right there. That is a quality Jordan 1 right. Wow. Yo, this is my first time seeing them in person as well. Uh-oh. Oh, new Jordan 1 smell. Ooh, new Jordan 1 smell. Wow, man. Let me take okay, you got your red laces. Okay. Let me take the tree out of there. Wow. Wow, man. Look at the materials on these. I hope my cameras. Let's put the laces back in. I hope my camera is showing you all. Look at those materials, man. Look at the toe box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that, right? Look at the side panel. Look at the tumbled. Oh man, I hope the camera is picking that up. Look at the tumbledness on the side panel, baby. Whew. Man. Scroll around the back there. You look at that black, the Nike check, the leather on. Wow. Yo, these might be the best Jordan 1s released this year, man. These might be the best ones. Oh, and that's a nice leather on the logo on the tongue there. That's a nice gray to wow. Yo, these are nuts. I didn't expect them to be like this. Like, keep it funky, keep it a buck. I thought these were gonna kind of look like these joints, like a similar version of these joints right here. I was kind of expecting this material on this. I don't know why. I think it's because the harvest, that harvest color. I said these are gonna be similar to these, but they are totally not. They are totally not what I was thinking they were gonna be, and I'm glad I didn't pass. I'm glad I didn't pass, and I'm glad that we were able to find the big homie a pair that I could keep my pair too. I could keep my pair too. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, these are dope, man. All right, so on the inside here, because most Jordan 1s don't have the open flap like this, but look at that leather on the side. Look at that. Oh. But anyway, most of them don't have the flaps on these. So what this says, these are Michael Jordan's stats. The shoe is based off of the outfit that he was wearing when he accepted his Rookie of the Year trophy. The year that I was born, 1985. Rookie of the Year from 1984 to 85. That's when I was born. So interesting stat about that is that every year I turn a different age, that's when we get a new Jordan. So I always think that's cool every year. I have to get a 33 just because, you know. Anyway. So this side has his stats for the year. From 1984, 85, Rookie of the Year. 2,313 points. 28.2 points per game. Yo, those are impressive stats. Those are impressive stats. I hope that is showing up. Those are very impressive stats. And on this side, it says, this award is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team. MJ, right there. Very dope. Very dope. So, man, I like the material on the back. Yo, this is great. This is a dope shoe, man. This is a dope shoe. I know that these sold out online, but from what I hear, these are available in some stores. So if you see these out and about, do not pass. Do not pass. Go in that store and cop you a pair, because these are just too sweet. But anyway, man, that's gonna do it for this shoe right here, man. Did I show the bottoms? All black bottoms. Let me get the right one out. You know, I rarely get the right boys out, but let me get the right boy out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue, that wrinkled tongue. I like it. I like it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whew. Whew. Yes, sir. These too sweet. These are too sweet. We'll put that right boy back. These most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. That's gonna do it. More content is on the way. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for your support. I truly appreciate it. And like I said, more content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all on the next one. Peace.